Today, we're going to be looking at how to install our Transvirtual Printer client. Firstly, just follow through the setup wizard, follow the prompts, and then install. You may need an admin password. Once you have done this, you can bring up your Transvirtual Printer client. Select the Add Printer button to then add a printer. Select the local printer, select OK. Now select the Restart button and a page like this will print out. Once you have done this, you can enter this code into your Transvirtual account. So if we get our Transvirtual account up, we can go to Settings, Lists and Zones, and then Printer Lists. In Printer List, we can go Authorize Printer and enter in your authorization code, which you will see on your piece of paper. After this code is entered, we can then select Submit, and we can click on the printer, and we can limit this printer to only be used by certain customers, agents, or head ports. You can also activate and deactivate. There is also a history button to see what is pending or what has been printed from this printer. Another thing that we can do is go to our EDI rules, go to our consignment export, and an example of being able to use this printer within Transvirtual is going to an already set up rule and changing the export framework to a printer. And we can select the printer that we just set up. By doing this, any exports that occur from this rule will now export through the printer, giving you a piece of paper of the said consignment. And that is how you do your printer setup. Please refer to our article for more possibilities in regards to your printer setup. Thank you for watching.